Hey guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in the contest. You have to find a hidden question in a video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Winner has the opportunity to get his or query solved through direct discussion with me or in comments. They can also ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 24 hours of the uploaded video in paint comment section.
Today in this video I'll teach you how to make a iron sulphide. Iron sulphide experiment I am use uh, iron powder and gram of iron powder and 10 gram of sulfur powder. Little bit, I think too much, but it's still, and some mix. Wait, still the screwdriver. Make sure it's still mix with the screwdriver. So don't know this time. No, I have no last rod, so I am use a screwdriver to do this thing. Now we say that this screwdriver with art and with touch it, this iron sulphide powder it is burn and create iron sulphide powder. I mean salt. So little bit there. To see, you can see there's salt when I mix with 10 grams of iron dust and 10 grams of sulfur powder. Now I have no Bunsen burner right now in air. Right now I am using to take a fire with 15 H to screwdriver art and to touch it there. Screwdriver and screwdriver, when it's art, I put this screwdriver inside there. This salt and this salt is burned. Otherwise there is lots of bad smell or leaves a very bad smell. So if you try it, you can wearing gloves. I am not wearing gloves right now, but you can wearing a gloves and goggles as well as the face mask and respirator. So I think it is all. You can see this some smooth, but all unit cannot take a fire. I think you can see it is full start to level. You can see it is a very bad smoke and fumes come, and this salt is converting into iron sulphide. So there is iron sulphide. So that you can see there is a iron to sulphide powder. I am store right now, but next time I make iron sulphide into hydrogen sulphide. And this video is going to be next video very soon. By the way, contest. Question. What is formula of hydrogen sulphide gas? What is the formula of hydrogen sulphide gas? This video is going to be next video very soon.